Our business is basically a food-based or a hosting-based business. We have built this place on this beautiful piece of land, which also houses a meeting space and living space. So we've been able to, and beautiful outdoor spaces. So we've been able to do a variety of things here.
We've built pretty inspiring buildings using mostly local materials, and when people come here, it reflects for them our commitment to doing things as locally as possible, whether it's getting materials, ingredients for our baking or for our buildings.
When we have production going on, it's an 8-hour day in the bakery. And there's so much to it other than just the baking. There's packaging, there's advertising, there's storage, there's a big business behind what looks to be a little simple, homey bakery.
Yeah. We make honest food. We make food that we eat. We use ingredients that we use in our personal lives. That to us is a very important thing, that we're not buying cheap ingredients knowing that we want to eat quality food ourselves. We do grow a lot of vegetables that end up in our soups, and they are the soups that we would eat or make in our own kitchen. I think that says a lot about the quality of our food, and I think it's an important quality that we feel very proud of.